Hi, welcome to 40 Fridays of Fundamental Science Experiments with Rohini. During Leonardo da Vinci's time, it was disputed where the seat of life lied. Some people argued that the seat of life was in the heart, while some others said that the seat of life lied in the brain. And Leonardo wanted to know once and for all where the seat of life resided in a human. So he started by reading a lot of texts, and in one text by a Roman warrior, Livy, he found that elephants that became aggressive in the war were killed by one stroke to the place between the ears where the head connected with the neck. At this spot, if you strike the elephant in one blow, the huge animal lay dead. Now, Leonardo wanted to try the same experiment on a frog. So he took a frog, he removed the heart, and saw that the frog still survived for a few seconds. Then he disemboweled the frog, and then he noticed that the frog still survived for a few seconds. And then he uh, hit the frog, or he designed a small spike-like instrument, and then he wounded the frog at the junction between the head and the spine, or the spinal medulla, this place, and he noticed that immediately the frog died. Based on this experiment, Leonardo da Vinci proved that the seat of life lay in the brain and not in the heart. Life emanated from the brain and not the heart, as was popularly believed back then. Thank you.